Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are going to connect our finished doily, Teeny-Tiny Doily to the next Teeny-Tiny Doily. However, if your pieces already reach the length that you want, you will want to continue on to the video that shows you how to end your row. But if you're still adding pieces, you're going to want to continue. Now, when we connected this Teeny-Tiny Doily to the previous one, our string was coming out on the right side. But this finished one, our string, which I will show you in a minute, should be coming out on the left side. So to get our string into position, we ended with it here. We want to match it up, of course, to the one we just finished. So we match up our piece so we know where our string is coming out, and then we get it into position. It's coming out this bead here, and we want it to come out this bottom bead, so we're going to go through 1, 2 beads, and there we are coming out on the left side. Now, you may notice that the design here is actually the first design we did in the earlier videos. It's the opposite of what we just finished. When I'm using connection pieces with the weather pattern, I always switch the design back and forth. So we are using the design that we used in the earlier videos. So for connecting, we are using the yellow to connect. So we are currently coming out this bead right here. So we are going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means 2 yellows. Then the first bead of our design, which is a low for mine, and then 2 more yellows. And then you will go through the bead that your string is coming out of on the opposite side, so it's coming out on the same side. And there you have added your connection, and then I will show you the first circle in the next video, so I hope to see you there.